Hi, I want you to come along with me as I open up the Seasons of Creativity October 2024 collection box. This is a subscription from Country Craft Creations. It's a subscription box that comes out 3 times a year, so every 4 months. I believe that this one obviously it's a little bit late to get this one, but if you are interested in signing up, you'll need to go to the Country Craft Creations website, and they'll be opening it probably then for the next one, which comes out in February. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this and kind of talk about the papers. I'm going to show you a sneak peek of my project, and then I will show you the papers of everybody's, of all the designers and what they'll be working with. So you get it in a box that comes to you. Everything's nice and neat and organized and divided. So I'm going to take a peek at the insides here. So one of the things that we do in this subscription box is we give you what's called the grab and go. I'm going to move this off to the side. And the grab and go, the purpose of it is to think of, okay, I'm going to go to a friend's house and craft, or go to a crop of some sort. Basically what you need is in this bag, besides your regular supplies of glue and bone folder and stuff like that. So this is what you would need to make a project right here. So it comes in this real durable bag. This is a tonic bag, and it's a very nice material. It's very thick. It'd be nice to use, obviously, more than once. You can use it over and over again. So let's take out the contents of this. All right, so this is Tiffany's project, and when you open it, you'll see that you do get some some 8.5 by 11 paper. You'll get some 6 by 12 sheets here that are the dot on this side. It's kind of a burnt rust color, blue, a goldenrod, and a light green. And then on the other side, it's a solid. Okay, here's the names right here: sage, mustard, cornflower, and terracotta. Okay, so 6 by 12, you get one of each of those. You'll get the 6 by 8 collection here. So you'll get what is wrong with me? Leaves. You have this saying. This is a real beautiful fall collection. So I'll just kind of go through it real quick. I like those butterflies. Let's Get Cozy is cute. Okay, so you kind of get an idea of the patterns in this one. So again, Tiffany will be working with this one. Along with this then 6 by 8 collection, you'll get the Simple Stories chipboard stickers that go with it. This is the Acorn Lane. And so you have the chipboard pieces here, the elements. These are really cute. I love the house. It says Give Thanks. So that will come in the grab and go. You will get the decorative brads. I love these. When I tried them for the first time, I thought legit they were brads. No, they're adhesive, but they just look like brads. So that's even better. And then you get the pieces here, the bits and pieces, lots of them in here. Raincoats and sweaters and words and home furniture, just all sorts of stuff. So that goes with this kit, and then you get the foam squares to go along with it. So that's the grab and go. That always comes in a collection or in a container like so, and then you'll get your twine and your ribbon. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move this off to the side. So I'll do this kit next. I believe this one is Michelle's. And I see that the name of the collection is Meadows Glow by Photoplay. This is the 30-piece ephemera. I'm going to leave it in the container or the package right now, so I hope there's not too much glare. Here's your seam binding to go with it, kind of a sage green color. You'll get some coordinating cardstock. So here are the 4 colors. I think it's 4. Nope. There's 4 pieces, but 2 of them are the same color. Okay. A brown, the fall red color, and then I don't know what you'd call this color. I don't know. It's darker than a mustard. It's not quite a brown. And then the actual collection here, the 12 by 12 collection. Again, it's called Meadows Glow. Real pretty. I like the realistic look of a lot of these floral pieces. So let's just go through it real quick. I always love how they have the focal point in the corners and on the sides, and Simple Stories has great papers. So then you have mushrooms on the other side. Now you are getting 2 of each piece of each of the sheets here. Here's some cutouts. And on the other side you have, oh, that's beautiful. Looks, you know, collaged right there. This is some leaf pattern. And then more leaves. I like the watercolor look to some of these papers. This one's Happy Harvest. And then we have some mushrooms and some foliage down at the bottom. This one's called So Grateful. Super pretty. See the Beauty. And then you have some 3x4s. Okay. This is the cover sheet. And then, like I said, this is the paper, the corresponding paper that goes with it. So that's Michelle's paper collection that she'll be using to make her project. And I'll just move that off to the side. I'll save mine for last. So now let's take a look at Sandy's collection that she'll be using. She is using a graphic 45. So you do get a lot of materials, a lot of projects, at least 4. So the seam binding comes in this little package. You have coordinating papers for this one also. Let's take a look at the colors of these. So it looks like 2 like goldenrod mustard colored ones, a dark brown, and then this one that I don't know the name. I don't even know how to describe the color of that one. It's kind of terracotta, I guess. Okay, there's the seam binding. So this collection is called Autumn Greetings. It's the 8x8. And I can already tell it's cute. I can see that cute deer down there at the bottom. So I'll go through this kind of quick for you. Again, the whole idea of these videos is so you know what's coming, but also to get you interested and think, wow, there's a lot of stuff here for these kits. And to get it 3 times a year, it's perfect. So then you have about 4 months to work through them. Okay, here we go. So we've got some pumpkins. And these come with 3 sheets each. Oh, look at that. I'm not really a nature person, but I love that. Then we have 3 of this one. Very pretty flowers. This one is called Gather and Be Grateful. I like these cutouts. They're real pretty, great for journaling. I love that little deer. Just very vibrant colors. Cute little fox. Happy Harvest is next. There's your pumpkins to harvest. Thanks and Giving. So we have border strips. I like the stamps too. Those are nice to cut apart separately also. Pumpkin Patch. Very classy collection. Fall Foliage. And Autumn Greetings. Okay, so that is Sandy's collection. And then finally, the one I've been waiting for is my collection. So this is Simple Stories. I absolutely love this paper. Sorry about the noise. This is the essential kit. So you're gonna get everything you need right here. So your seam binding is in this little package. So this is the sticker sheet. It's the Vintage Life in Bloom. I love the bold colors, the watercolor feel, the vintage look to it. I loved everything about this. So here's the sticker sheet. I also like butterflies. All right, so we have the pretty flowers on one side and 4x6s on the other, but look how vibrant. Love that camera. Then we have some turquoise color with some 2x2s and 4x4s. A diagonal stripe. And on the other side, 3x4s. I really like that camera, and I love how some of them go the opposite direction too. Then we have the flowers with the dark background. Some more cutouts. The tags, I love their tags too, whole page of them. And then on the other side, it's decorative. So this side's great for the journaling. We have some typewriter keys with some beautiful butterflies. Some leaves with the greens. And we have the wreath type pattern. Black background with some multicolored polka dots and some tickets and tags. The collage page of registers and library cards and certificates with the darker keys. Now, when you look at this in the background, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like a waterfall color. Like it goes from blues to pinks to kind of a purpley to orange. It's just a really pretty background. It's like a wash. Butterflies that have some writing, some manuscript in the wings. That's cool. Then we have the focal point down here and in the opposite corner. So we have the white polka dots. See, they even have a little element down here in the corner. So the larger flowers on the back. I really liked this one too. I thought it was really pretty. I like the colors. And then love that camera. Okay, so I went through that pretty quick, but that's because I want to show you the project. Okay, so with that essential kit, you do get the chipboard stickers. Those are gorgeous. You'll get the page pieces. So these are a little bit bigger, not as many in here, but they're good for layouts also. And then you get a lot of these, the Life in Bloom floral bits, bunches of flowers, greenery, butterflies, okay? So when I got this, I was totally excited because it is totally my style of paper. And so I decided to make a book in a box, basically. So you can see that everything here came from that collection. I did use the tools that you'll get. I showed that in my original unboxing. I don't know what I did with it off the top of my head. I don't know what I'll have to look for those later, but there were some tools that you get also. Oh, no, that's not it. Oh, well. The only thing I will tell you about this is it does not come with flowers, but I used dies and then some papers that came with the collection. So you can do flowers. You don't have to do flowers. I just used my own punches, okay? So I like how it hangs off the edge here. So then it's a box. I did not cover the bottom. And when you open it then, it's covered on the inside. And then this opens up. I need to glue that down. I'm gonna do that right now so I don't forget. So now it's sticking. I'll just put glue just a little bit. I usually add glue anyway on the back of these just to be safe, but okay. All right, so this has 3 pages. So this first page, so this left side becomes your spine. And so this has a pocket and it has 2 tags here that you tuck inside that pocket to keep it closed. So then you've got that pocket and it opens to a page where you can journal. And another one that turns for journaling. And then you have a pocket here that I just put in some of the 4x6 cutouts. So again, you just want to tuck these back into the pocket to keep it closed. On the back of that, you open it up and you have a place to journal or a picture. This is open. It's was cut out in a previous kit. You did get a die, and I used that die to cut it out. And so then I just put this paper behind it to fill it in. Now you don't have to, I mean, you could leave it just this if you wanted to, but I did want to add that mat in there also. Okay. On this one, we have a double belly band, and the piece that I cut out over there is now a tag. This comes out, and so we have a little pocket here. On the back then, we have some tags. And on the other side, you have a place to journal. The opposite side, notice I don't have the seam binding so that it opens and closes neatly. Then we have a gatefold or opening, and then inside here. And this is open to tuck pictures. This page then is 4 different flaps. So this one opens to the top, and they're all matted in white. And then it opens like so. And the last page, we have a double pocket, and I just put some of the tags and extra paper, used some of the cutouts, glued some of the floral bits, and tucked those in. I just love this paper so much. I love the color, the design pattern. And then this is open. You could add a nice 4x6, maybe 5x7, and then I put the moments here to tuck in these tags that you could use. Okay, and then it just closes up real nice, and you put the lid back on. So that is my project. So you will be receiving your kits. They get mailed out, I believe, October 10th. And if you're interested in becoming a subscriber of the box, go to countrycraftcreations.com, and the next one comes out in February. All right, hope you enjoy it.